when you open the garage door,
now it's all out of the way. You don't even see it.
It's out of the way. You don't see it. And the only thing is if you want to get stuff down, you'll have to shut your garage door. I got to tell you, I've had it with my garage. I've got so much crap everywhere. I've got nowhere to put stuff. I'm running out of room. And if you look around here, you can see all the stuff. I've got racks here. The floor space is getting taken up. So we got this ceiling mounted rack from FLEXIMOUNTS. So this is a 4x8 foot black rack that will mount on the ceiling. And hopefully we can get some stuff up off the floor and put it right up here. So this is where I think we're going to put it, going this way. And that way, when we open the garage door, you can't see like another rack. So it's kind of hidden above the garage door. So,
and it holds 600 pounds, so I can hide a lot of crap up there.
Yeah. If that holds 600 pounds, I mean, that is a lot of stuff we can put up there. We're going to go ahead and get started. Do us a favor and smash that subscribe button. We'd really love to grow this channel, bring more DIY projects to you. So
I've got a lot of stuff I want to do.
Yeah, he's got a lot of projects. We're going to be putting them all in video. Now let's get to it. That's tight.
I think there's a joke about a monkey and a football.
All right, so here's our thoughts. Do you think it was easy?
I think it was fine. It was easy, and I think it's built pretty well. The only thing is, I'd say you definitely can't do it by yourself.
Yeah, and especially
against the wall.
We put the base together, and that probably didn't take more than about 15 minutes. That was really quick. And then putting the arms going up, that was pretty quick. I think what was time consuming was just finding the studs in the ceiling.
Yeah.
As we missed a few, so there's a few extra holes in the ceiling.
Right.
But once we found the studs and then getting the rack put up, so the way we did it, we got a tall ladder, kind of put this thing up on top of the ladder, and then put the back braces in first against the wall, and then we came out and put the front braces on. So
it would definitely be easier off the wall a little more.
So you can get behind it?
Right, so you can get behind it. And I would say make sure to have 2 people, 3 if you could, but at least 2 people. I think 2 people, you'd be fine.
Yeah, I can't think of any better way. I mean, for this rack, it holds 600 pounds and it's sturdy.
It is.
So, man, I'd say 10 out of 10. It's going to do a good job. It's going to hold a lot of stuff.
Just make sure you find your ceiling joist and don't just put it in the sheetrock.
Well, obviously, we put it over the garage door. So let me just open the garage door real quick, and you can see when you open the garage door,
now it's all out of the way. You don't even see it.
It's out of the way. You don't see it. And the only thing is if you want to get stuff down, you'll have to shut your garage door.
Right.
So.
Yeah, I think it's good.
All right. So this was a FLEXIMOUNTS. The one we put up was a GR48. So that's a 4x8 steel rack. You know, we'll put a link in the description if you want to get one of these. I think we'd highly recommend it. I think I'll probably get another one because I've still got a lot of stuff in my garage. Now this will hold a lot of stuff, but I still got more stuff I need to put up.
And I think they offer a mechanical one too, don't they, for a lower ceiling?
Yeah, they do. For like if it's a 9-foot or lower ceiling, it's got one that you can actually take your drill and it's got a gear which will just come up and down like that.
That'd be really good for especially older people or people that aren't comfortable climbing a ladder. That'd be real good for that because then they can just run it down, load it up, and run it back up.
Yeah, so you need one.
Yeah.